Hello there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy from 911 Studios, and today I'm going to tell you the down low on the Joule Sous Vide. So you guys, if you're thinking about purchasing this, these are a few things that you may want to keep in mind. First of all, it's a little confusing. You may see two different brand names for the Joule, both the Chef Steps or Breville. Here's the thing, it's the exact same thing. So don't let that confuse you. Breville owns Chef Steps, so you may see it labeled either way, but you're gonna get the exact same Joule. So all of this information that I'm gonna give you is going to apply to either if you see it under different listings. The biggest thing to know about the Joule is that it is half the size of other sous vides on the market. That's probably the biggest selling point. That's the biggest thing that makes this little gadget really, really unique. You're gonna notice it's half the size, and that means that you can easily store it. It's going to fit in your kitchen. This is going to be great for small kitchens, and it's the size that's going to fit into any standard kitchen cabinet drawer. So really easy to put away. The next unique thing that you're going to notice about the Joule is that there aren't really any temperature controls and settings on the device itself. All of this is going to be done through an app, through your Alexa. It's really, really compatible. It's got Bluetooth connectivity. It's super smart. This is good and bad. So this is where you're going to have to decide if the Joule is right for you. If you are someone that loves using their smartphone, that loves using your smart home devices, then definitely pick this product up because it is so smart and so amazing. The app is incredible. You're gonna be able to go in, pick your recipe, pick whatever you're cooking, and they handle the rest. I mean, it's really that simple, and you're going to get perfectly cooked food every single time. If you're someone who does not like dealing with the technology and doesn't like hooking up this device to your smartphone, you don't want to use it on your smartphone, you want the manual controls and temperature settings, then I would suggest maybe the Joule is not for you. This is where, it's really going to come down to a matter of personal opinion and your preferences. If you love technology, then this is going to be your choice for the best sous vide because you can just hook it up to your phone, choose your recipe, and it's that simple. So one more quick note about the Joule Sous Vide, and honestly any sous vide out there, if you're new to them, it basically involves heating water to the perfect temperature and cooking your food in a plastic bag. Alright, I know that you can get a lot of food like maybe at Costco or at your favorite supermarket that is going to come already in a plastic sealed or vacuum sealed bag. Please do not be tempted to use that. Sometimes there may be little micro tears or rips in that bag, and it's not going to end well. It might ruin your food, and you don't want to ruin a good steak or something like that simply because the bag from the manufacturer was a little bit tampered with or a little bit messed up. Please make sure that you are using the proper food safe bags whenever you are cooking with your sous vide, and you are going to have the best results. The Joule is definitely one of my favorites on the market. I absolutely love it for its small size and its really smart connectivity that's going to enable you to use recipes from the app and get perfect results every time. Put it in your cart, put it in your registry. You're going to be really happy that you did.